Hey guys, it's Friday today and we're starting a new vlog. Pupunta ako ng school later kasi mag-enroll ako for our second sem. Ang bilis ng oras. Anyway, I just wanted to film myself because I feel like ang ganda ng base ko today. Sobrang flawless niya. I used the Get Ready With Me foundation. I haven't used it for a very long time and then I came back to it and I'm impressed. Ang ganda talaga. I haven't put my lipstick on yet. And medyo magulo pa yung buhok ko. But anyway, the base is basing. Yeah, I'll come back to you and I'll check up on you later when I'm at the school. We're enrolled. Back to hell. Hi guys, hindi ko na kayo nabalikan but I'm currently here at Podium. Tumambay lang ako here sa Daysumi Cafe. I ordered a matcha latte kasi nakailang kape na ako. So kanina, natapos ko na yung enrollment. Nakapag-enroll ako. 15 units ako for this sem. So that's about like 5 subjects. And ano pa bang ginawa ko kanina? Kumain lang ako kanina ng brunch kasi wala pa akong kinakain simula nung umalis ako ng bahay. And then, siguro early dinner ko na din yun. Pero meron akong in-order na pancake din dito, here. So, yan yung early dinner ko. Tumambay lang ako dito kasi kailangan kong mag-work. I have my freelance job and also ang dami kong deadline for my content sa mga brands. Ano pa ba? Yeah, siguro kapag nakatapos ako mag-edit kahit isang video, uuwi na ako. And clean my office and my study area kasi sa Monday pasukan na, sobrang bilis, as in parang natulog lang ako, nag-concert tapos biglang pasukan na agad, hindi, ay nako, hindi man lang nakapagpahinga ng matiwasay. But anyways, that's life and we have to keep going. Yeah, I guess that's all of my update for you guys. Mag-work lang ako dito. Siguro time-lapse lang yung makikita nyo. Anyways, gusto ko lang ipakita or i-flex ang aking nails. These are my concert nails by Craftshan in Instagram. Tatag ko yung ano niya dito, username niya dito. But sobrang ganda guys. This is inspired by 17th Seventh Heaven. Also, i-upload ko yung mga concert vlogs ko. Sana, 'di ba, ma-upload ko kasi ang bagal ko talaga mag-edit and mag-upload. But if you want real-time postings, you can follow me sa Instagram and sa TikTok kasi madalas ako doon mag-post. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's it.